Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Haru. Today's video, as the title suggested, I'll be opening an MTG product, specifically the Commander Precon decks. This is a collaboration between MTG and Dungeons and Dragons, and this particular deck is the Draconic Rage, of course, because this channel is all about dragons. So I bought this from Classroom Cafe, a store in Malaysia. This is my second purchase with them, and I actually got this earlier than the release date, which means I got it before the 23rd. Although by the time you're watching this video, it's been a few days past that date. I've been a bit busy, so I couldn't upload the video as early as I wish I could. So let's just jump into opening this and let's see the content inside. Now, oh yeah, there's a way to open this. So this is the first time for me to purchase a commander deck. The last time I bought an MTG product, it was a team deck, I believe, a Sarkhan team deck, and I always wanted to play Commander because it's it's not a competitive format for MTG, and also you can play all of the cards, so it has some similarity with Yu-Gi-Oh! All of the cards, as long as it's not being hit by ban list, that is. So the first thing that caught me by surprise here, I see other openings, is that this large card is not really a card, it's just a printing on this stuff. I suppose these are tokens, counters. It's kind of odd. I don't know what this is for. Is this supposed to turn into the something? Yeah, this is odd. So this is the deck box, in which contain the deck. So yeah, a lot of extra stuff. I believe this is the life counter to 40 in commander format. Oh, there's also a 20 counter, I guess, if you're playing 2 players only. But the interesting thing about commander format is that you can play multiplayer, more than 2. Although I guess the next challenge after purchasing is this deck is trying to find someone to play with. I'm a little bit timid with the MTG community. I guess I'm just used to Yu-Gi-Oh community here. Draconic Rage, blah 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 blah. I guess they want to say something about spamming dragons. So these are the 3 commander that we can play with. I'm going to have a look at Rondis first, but probably going to play with Clough or other Elder Dragon or Legendary Dragon, because I really don't like the idea of dragon that's not flying, that's just dinosaur. So I'm trying to open this up. It's a bit hard. There you go. So these are all tokens. I believe there's 10 of them. Oh wow, it's double-sided. That's nice. So yeah, I've been thinking of replacing the commander with the Dragon Queen. So she does require a 5/5 token, and this is just perfect. Yeah, so it's double-sided. Kinda wish they include the dungeon as well though. Oh, Monarch. Interesting. Alright, so I'm already pleased with that. Let's take a look at the deck itself. So we have Rondis, Rage of Ancient, Legendary Dragon, Dragon Barbarian, enrage. If you deal damage to run this, you can create a 5/4 tokens with the effect of when this creature deal damage, sacrifice it. It doesn't have flying, yeah, that's kind of sucks. Whenever you roll one or more dice, you may have run this deal 1 damage to itself. Okay, so it can be self-triggered. Oh, okay, this is, oh, this is the is this the can you play this a bit thicker? Anyone who plays Magic the Gathering, can you guys tell me? I don't think this one is playable. I think this one just like a I don't know, promo card something. So we have the actual one, yeah. So this one is, yeah. So I guess it makes sense now why the other card is printed like this. Weird, but alright. So we have Rondis, Range of Ancient, Cloth, Unrivaled Ancient, Interested Dragon. Have a lot of mana advantage here. And then Berserker Frenzy, Chaos Dragon, Maddening Hex, Vengeful Ancestor, Back of Streak. Probably going forward, a lot of these dice rolling mechanics I'm going to replace with dragons or other cards, but we'll see. Could be interesting. Druid of Purifications, Indomitable Might, Neverwinter Hydra, Wild Endeavor, Dragon Ball Champion. Wow, this looks interesting. Very cool artwork there. Cloth Wheels, Vulgar of Icewind Dale, another one of those commander options that we can choose. Definitely not going to play that because I'm most likely going to make this a tribal deck or team deck in Yu-Gi-Oh! Bogardian Hellkite, Chain Reaction, Demanding Dragon. It's kind of interesting that you can make a team deck in Commander, but at the same time all those cards, all those dragons are not really thematic. By that I mean, for example, if you're building a Blue Eyes White Dragon team deck, the cards inside are likely incorporated with or have a relationship with the Blue Eyes or the Eyes of Blue lores. This one is kind of like mix of dragons. Dragon Beatdown, Dragon Master Outcast, Gratuitous Violence. Although some cards came from the same set, so they share the same universe in that set. Hot Smelter Dragon. I might be wrong. You guys can tell me. Those who are, you know, more used to MTG. Magma Quake, Opportunistic Dragon. Okay. Outpost Siege, Scourge of Valkas. I heard this one is like one of the sought after reprints. So I read the effect is quite strong, but I need to test it to see it for myself. Shivan Hellkite. This is another one. Skyline Despot, Skyship Stalker, Split Flame, Tauren Mauler, Terror of Mount Velus, Thunderbreak Region, Warstorm Surge, Chameleon Colossus, Decree of Savagery. I think we are now at the spell lineup. Kindred Summon, or Magic lineup, as probably Magic would say it. Return of the Wild Speaker, Rishka Expertise, another one of those valuable reprints. Shamatic Revelation, Atarka World Render, Dragon Hordes, and I guess the rest are lands. Oh, there's more. Barbarian Class, Earth Cult Elemental, Component Pouch, Sword of Hours, Under Dark Reef, Anger, Dragon Lord Servant, Ryle, Beast Within, Colossal Majesty, Cultivate, and oh, there's more. Explore, Garo Uprising, Rampant Growth, Return of Nature, Savage Venmouth, some artifacts here. I'm not going to go through all of them. Commander Tau, and yeah, I guess the rest are lands. the small Dragon Speaker Shaman. The arrangement of this card are confusing, at least for someone who's never played MTG before. So yeah, now the rest are lands. I guess this short rules. So here again, our commander. So yeah, right now locals are no for us because we are on a lockdown. But as soon as you know, locals are open again, cross country are allowed, I'm probably going to go to MTG locals, you know, try to make new friends and play commander. So if you guys in Malaysia, maybe around Selangor area, around Klang Valley, maybe you guys can, you know, invite me to your game, because I'm totally new in this and I'll be interested in learning. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I guess I see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video. You can help support this channel by clicking on the like button, dropping a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more content. There's also a link in the description down below to tcgplayer.com and inkgaming.com. I also have few awesome playmat designs at inkgaming, so be sure to check it out. Check out these few recommended videos as well. Thank you once again for the support, and I see you guys in the next video.